What's going on, guys? My name is Ronak, and what if you want two monitors at once with only one CPU? What you will do is, first you have to take an extra monitor, put a VGA cable behind it, and the second output you put in your laptop. Okay, this was a basic step. Take this VGA cable. The first end should be behind this monitor. The second end should be here with your laptop. Now what will happen is, it will clone whatever I am doing in my laptop. Suppose I am opening this, and I'm opening anything. It will just clone it. It will just make it duplicate. But we want to do two tasks at one time. One task should be here and the second task should be here. I don't want any duplication like it's happening now. I want different tasks to run in different monitor. What I will do is, I'll do right click, and only in some laptops and computers this option comes when you right click on the desktop. That is graphic properties. Most of you this option will not come, but if it comes, then click on it. Okay, and then it will take time and a window will get open. It will ask, select one of the following application modes. You should select on wizard mode and then OK. After that, you'll come across this window. What you have to do is you have to extend this screen to this screen. That means two tasks. One task here should be there and the second task should be here. So you have to extend it, not duplicate it. So here's the option, operating mode. From clone display, duplicate display, you will select this extended desktop and then next. Now see what happens. So this is different and this is different. Check, it's not duplicate. Here's no mouse and here's my mouse. Suppose I am closing this. Now you can close it. I am opening this. See, here it's not getting opened. Only here it's getting opened. And now what if I want my mouse to be here? Just normally go and done. See, magic. You can bring it anywhere from anywhere. For example, my mouse is here now. I am opening this, suppose. Okay, I opened this and here it's different. See, it's the desktop here and just mouse here and then fatak, done. Now what if you want another window to be opened here? Suppose you want this window to be in this screen. So what you'll do is just click on it and drag it here. Done. Okay, so this is a good option for doing two programs at once, or for watching movie here and doing this and that. Okay, so like this you can do programming in two different monitors at once. So guys, did you like it or did you not? Please comment down and give your feedback on it, and if you have any doubts, just comment below and ask me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment your reviews in the comment box and I'll meet you next time. Bye bye.